Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken pastil. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh chicken and aromatic spices. Next, we'll prepare the chicken filling, cooking it until tender and flavorful. Then, we'll assemble the pastil, layering it perfectly. Finally, I'll show you how to serve this delightful dish, ready to enjoy with your loved ones. Let's get started on this culinary journey. For our chicken pastil, you'll need about 500 grams of boneless chicken, which we'll shred after cooking. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. We'll also use 1 cup of rich chicken broth, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to your preference. These simple ingredients will create a truly flavorful filling. Let's begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions until they turn translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add the minced garlic and cook until it becomes fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Then, stir in the shredded chicken, cooking it for about 5 minutes before adding the chicken broth. Simmer until the liquid is mostly absorbed. Once your chicken filling has simmered and the liquid is absorbed, season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Now, prepare your steamed rice. You can mold it into individual portions for a traditional presentation. Generously top each rice portion with the flavorful chicken pastil filling. Serve this delightful dish immediately, perhaps garnished with some crispy fried garlic for extra texture and aroma. Enjoy your homemade chicken pastil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.